What's up, y'all? It's your girl Malika Trent. I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to show you how I got this beautiful twist out using just one product. You heard that right. I use one product. Okay, boom. So I'm starting out on freshly washed hair with nothing in it. As you can see, it's dry, brittle. And today's star of the show is Taliah Waajid Curly Curl Cream. This stuff right here, I swear, is the truth, okay? Do not sleep. I only use just about this much, like just a little bit on each section. And I apply that directly on my hair, nothing else. I'm not using any other product to get this twist out. So here I'm just twisting it up like normal, except I am only using just one product. I promise y'all I only use this one product in my hair. And I know that sounds so shocking, but here is just a tip to help you save the bank. Like, you don't have to spend so much money on so many different products. Like, look at this definition already. You just seen me twist this up and it's already defined. Like, I'm really only trying to save you, sis. Like, I promise y'all, do yourself a favor and get this product. It is really the truth. And I know that same day twist outs are probably a myth in natural community, but I'm here today to show you all that it is possible. I did these twists, took me about an hour and some change, maybe an hour and a half to do, and I took them down in less than 2 hours. And the results that I got were absolutely fire, okay? Look at how moisturized that piece of hair looks. I also use this product to moisturize my hair too, quite often. Like, I do the lock method, and this is the cream that I use to seal in all of the moisture at the end of my moisturizing routine. So here I'm just braiding down this side part because, to be honest, I was being lazy and didn't want to continue out with a twist. So I decided to make it into a nice style. I usually always pin back this side of my hair when I wear twist outs anyway. So I decided to do like a quick little braid to spice up that look just a little bit. So here I'm just adding in that hair that I fixed, and you can already see that definition. Like, it's already so defined. Okay, and I'm just going to add some jewels to the braid just to spice it up a little bit. All right, and I'm done. I'm just going to let this sit for, like I said, about 2 hours. Like, look at those twists. Beautiful, beautiful. All right, now it's time to take it down so that you all can see exactly what I'm talking about, why I rave about this product so much. Mind you, it's only been about 2 hours, and I just went to go do my makeup. I did my nails, and that was that. Get into this definition. Do y'all see this? Like, okay, that's all I'm gonna say. Like, I don't know what they were doing in the lab when they created this product, but listen, do not sleep. This product is created by Jesus himself, man. I promise. The whole universe got together and created this product just for me, okay? Do not sleep when I'm trying to put y'all onto this, okay? Like, these twists, the definition that came from these, it looks so good. Like, this product is really the truth. And I only used the one product. I wanted to mention that I did put some oil on my hands just, to prevent a little bit of the frizz. That's optional. You can do that if you want. You don't have to. So here, I'm just going to lay down my edges real quick. And I did want to mention that I didn't separate the twist as much. You can go in and separate each like strand of the twist, but I chose not to do that. I did do that on day 2 though, however, to add a bit more body. But for this look, I liked it like this. So you can do whatever you want for that. But yeah, this is pretty much it. I want to thank y'all for watching, tuning in with me, and I hope you all go out and get this product for yourself and try it out, man. Do not sleep on this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you all in my next video. Peace.